So a very good morning, class. As you all know that we were doing this topic, clauses, and we all have done what is a clause and the different types of clause, the different type of sentences, and we have also covered the different clauses, and amongst them one is adverb clause that we will do today. So before we'll start with the adverb clause, it is very much important that you should know the meaning of what is an adverb. So an adverb is a word that adds more information about the place, time, manner, cause or degree to a verb, an adjective or to another adverb. And an adverb clause does the work of an adverb, right? Like it can modify a verb. For example, hit the ball when it touches the bat. So hit the ball when it touches the bat. It can modify a verb. Then an adjective. Example, he is wiser than I believe. Okay. And then an adverb. Example, he ran so fast that he was soon out of breath. Okay. That he was soon out of breath. So now we'll be doing the kinds of adverb clauses. So the first one is adverb clause of time. Now what is an adverb clause of time? An adverb clause of time denotes or specifies the time when the action has been expressed in the main clause takes place. And they are introduced by conjunctions like when, while, whenever, after, before, since, as soon as, and as long as, etc. So we'll do few examples. I will do it when I wish to. So here the time has been denoted. He came after the guest had left. As soon as I reached the station, the train started. Right? Second one is adverb clause of place. Means they denote or specify a place and can be introduced by conjunctions like where, whenever, hence, etc. Example, you can put it wherever you like. They can stay where they like. Then adverb clause of manner. So here they indicate the manner of doing something and are introduced by conjunctions like as, though, according, the manner of doing something and are introduced by conjunctions like as, though, according as if, etc. Right? You can eat as you wish. She behaved as if she was the Queen of England. As you sow, you shall reap. Right? Next is adverb clause of purpose. So here they express the purpose of something and are introduced by conjunctions like that, so that, in order that, list, etc. He walks a lot so that he can stay fit. Okay. So next is adverb clause of reason, means the cause. So here they express a cause or reason of something and are introduced by conjunctions like because, as, since, that, etc. See, I cooked pasta because I like Italian food. I'm glad that you could make it to the party. So here, that you could make it to the party. Then is adverb clause of condition. So here they express a condition and are introduced by conjunctions like whether, if, unless. For example, if you don't complete your homework, I will not let you go out and play. So if you don't complete your homework, if. You must go to the hospital whenever you like, whether you like it or not. So here, whether you like, whether is here the adverb clause of condition. Then is adverb clause of result, means they show the result or effect of something and they are introduced by conjunctions like so that, such that. Like he was so weak that he could not stand. So here so and that. He spoke in such a low voice that few could hear him. Right? So here such that. Adverb clause of result. Next, adverb clause of comparison means degree. They compare somebody or something with the other and are introduced by conjunctions like than, or, as, so as. For example, this house is much bigger than I had expected. So here, than. Then, he is not so stupid as you think. So here, so and as you think. So these were the kinds of adverb clauses, right? And now we'll do a small exercise sort of thing, that is combine two simple sentences into a complex sentence. So what you have to do here is that you have to combine two simple sentences into a complex sentence and with the help of adverb clause. So an adverb clause can be introduced by any of the following subordinate clauses, like you can use when, as, while, till, before, after, where, whenever, so, that, because, since, if, etc. Right? For example, he became a principal. I have not met him since then. So these are the two simple sentences and you have to combine these sentences into one complex sentence with the help of adverb clause. So I have not met him. After, since, you can use any. He became a principal. The chief guest entered the hall. The audience clapped. The audience clapped as the chief guest entered the hall. He is liked by all. He'll win the election easily. He will win the election easily because he is liked by all. Right? So in this way you have to do it. And this topic is over. Now I'll give you some exercise which are there in this topic is over. Now I'll give you some exercise which are there in your BBC Compactor that you have to complete it. And I hope you have understood this topic, that is adverb clause. Thank you.